Well, Jackie, I do love a good craft project, and you are so clever and so talented at creating a special project that you can do with your kids at home. But today we're going to do it with me here.
We're going to do it with Mr. Craig. We're going to do it with you because you brought us a beautiful tablescape with personalized place settings. So we're going to make one of those that you can do with your kids ahead of time if you are hosting, and something that they can also take home. So we're going to make a place setting, a personalized snowman ornament, and I love a snowman because you know you're great at swapping out for the seasons, but this will be up in my house from the first snow, the first snow all the way through February.
I was gonna say, at your house it might be up till, I don't know,
April. It might stay up, but snowman it's a great option to be able to go through all the holiday season. So I also love using for craft projects things that you already have at home. They say parenthood does not come with a manual, nor do crafts, apparently. So us teaching maybe something that might seem simple, but giving a few different takes on it, I always find new ideas from other parents that go, you didn't realize that you already had this at home. So to be able to start our snowman, I just have a cup, because one side is larger than the other. So we're gonna trace both sides of the cup to start our snowman. So the smaller side is obviously gonna be the snowman or snow woman head. Snow person head. And then you can flip it over to do the body. So easy enough. If you're trying to figure out what stencil should I use, just go to your cabinet and then find your stencil. So then you can start cutting it out. And now the reason that I use a paper plate, because we're turning that into ornaments, you want something a little bit sturdier than construction paper. We are going to use construction paper for the back side, but this will give it a little bit of weight to it, so you can use it year after year when you put it up on your Christmas tree.
You know what I don't understand?
What don't you understand?
Help me understand.
Okay.
How I got the big boy scissors and you didn't. You trusted me with real scissors.
I did bring you pink safety scissors, but I found some grown-up scissors specifically for this project. And of course, if you're doing this with kiddos that are not used to scissors or not old enough to be able to utilize scissors, you can do this step for them. But the tracing is really for any age. And I'm also going to show you how to personalize this craft. Because one of my favorite things to gift, especially now that I'm a parent, is a personalized from my daughter to the grandparents, to the aunts and uncles. So while you're still cutting it out.
Circles are hard.
Are they? Are you struggling there? I told you, parenting does not come with a handbook, and neither do crafts.
I think my snowman might look deformed, but it's all good.
Well, it's personalized, that's why. So we've got some glue. Okay, I'm gonna start on mine. So we're gonna glue the bottom down first, okay?
This is like clear glue.
This is clear glue.
Never seen such a thing.
I know, but my tip here.
Remember when you were in elementary school and you had paste and people would people would eat it?
Would they? Or did you go to
did.
school? Okay.
Right.
So what we're going to do before we glue the head on, this is my trick here. Glue your yarn or twine right here at the tippy top. So we're going to glue it down first. Okay. I'm going to glue the circle and press it down, because you're going to be able to do that here.
Press on
nail. We're going to press it on. Yep. We also brought some googly eyes as well, so you
prefer hot glue.
You prefer hot glue? I like a good Elmer's, especially when you're doing with this with kids. So you can do your googly eyes. I brought a marker to be able to do the little mouth. You can do the little mouth with whatever color you want. Do a little nose. Do your arms, and the personalized touch that I like to add. So we're going to do that together once you glue your body on. Is the buttons.
I'm telling you what.
We're going to do with our fingerprint.
Lucy would have had this done already.
Probably. You haven't done a kids craft in a while.
I haven't.
Okay,
so I got all my
we'll let you do the buttons. You can draw the face on after, but the personalized touch is have your kiddo take their fingerprint into the paint and do the buttons, because you know their tiny little hands grow year after year. So you're going to be able to have the fingerprint.
Have big buttons.
Yeah, there we go. And it will be their cute little fingerprint right on the ornament. Then you'll cut around, okay? So you can cut the excess off of whatever color construction paper you used. We
loving
wrote
this.
your name on it, Mr. Craig, and of course what I would do as a mom, I would write the year as well on the back so that you have a personalized ornament, a place setting for all of your guests, and something that you can do with your kids this holiday season.
I love it. Googly eyes for the win.